Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Bittorrent crypto. Bittorrent as one of the best crypto which are jumping upward very fastly and on the 20 position in the cryptocurrencies markets. In this video I will show you the price prediction of Bittorrent and the price changes. What's the high price of Bittorrent I will show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of Bittorrent. What's going, what's the price change occur in the Bittorrent. Let's see the price prediction of Bittorrent. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of Bittorrent. As you can see here, first of all, if we look the chart analysis of Bittorrent, so absolutely bad. As you can see here, now currently and the previous last 2 hours their falling period is starting. Now currently at this time they are also falling down. So friends, if we look the average change of Bittorrent, negative 10.24% chance occur in the Bittorrent, but don't worry about the falling of Bittorrent friends. Every cryptocurrency falls down in the start of every month for a later time. That's only falls down approximately 1 hour continuously falling of the Bittorrent are continue. After some time they again take a jump, so don't worry about the falling of the Bittorrent. If we see the high price of Bittorrent in the last 2 hours, about $0.01059 is the high price of Bittorrent and the previous last 2 hours. Now let's see the previous last 1 hour price prediction. What's going, what's the change occur in Bittorrent in the last 1 hour. We also know that Bittorrent continuously falling down in the previous last 2 hours, as we can see on in the last 2 hour result that they falls down continuously. So friends, the last 1 hour research also in the falls, and the changes is about positive negative 6.8786% chance occur in Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Bittorrent is about $0.010233 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour. So friends, according to the price prediction, we it's not mean that Bittorrent falling down the changes is a negative, so you said it. No, it's not mean that Bittorrent falls. It's mean that you have to hold Bittorrent in the last of this month. Every cryptocurrency falls down for a later time for an hour, so it's not mean sell it. Hold it with the end of this month and make a good amount of profit if you want to buy Bittorrent. So it's not time to buy Bittorrent. When the Bittorrent starts jumping, so it is the best time to buy Bittorrent cryptocurrencies. What's your opinion about Bittorrent? Please share in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.